Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel! To this video, I'm gonna teach you how to cook kare-kare on my own version. What are we waiting for? Come on, let's start! First, we must prepare our ingredients and make sure all of it must be washed and cleaned before we cook. Now let's start to saute the onions. And then add the meat. Then add 4 spoons of fish sauce. Cover and simmer for 1 minute. Then add water. Add 1 teaspoon of seasonings. Cover and cook in 2 minutes until our meat is cooked, soft and tender. And then add a little ground black pepper, add chili, add chopped eggplant, string beans, and the green bell pepper. And then add the bagoong hipon, add 4 sachet of Mamacita's Kare-Kare mix. Now add bok choy or PECHAY. Smells delicious! Our menu for today is ready to serve. If you are new from my channel, please consider to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button for more updates in my next video. And please Leave any comments and suggestions below. Thank you for watching. See you next time. 再见。